Hi! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to know what's the real struggle? Please stay tuned and continue watching my video.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more.
To knock you to the floor. Yeah. Let's go blow for blow.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning.
Yeah, I know. It's really hard to open the door with your foot. But anyway, sometimes you're making your life difficult even though it's just really easy. Anyway, thank you for watching guys, and if you have any comments and if you have any suggestion, please comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and pindot the bell button. See you guys till next time.